What's up guys? Getting ready to show you how I poured this concrete slab for a patio behind me. Come along and have fun watching me pour this. This slab's going to take about 6 yards, so it's 5 inches thick using 2x12s on the forms. That's mostly for cosmetic reasons, have a nice edge. I got this thing rebar doweled to the existing slab. Now that rebar is epoxied into the old slab, also using foam between the new slab and the old slab to help with expansion. Using wire mesh and wire mesh chairs on this pour, got her braced up pretty good. Got Dad and Papa Sam helping me today. So the concrete dispatcher called me and said they had a full truck of 10 yards at another job that the guys didn't use and had to pay for. And they told me they would give it to me for free. Even though it was a hot load, I still wanted it because yeah, that's $1,500 that I'm not paying for. And I had a spot to put the extra concrete. So we started pouring her out. So immediately while we were pouring, we noticed that it was setting up very fast. So we were working a little harder than intended. The material's so hard that Dad and Sam were hooked onto the power screed to help them pull it back. And that actually worked pretty good. Last time I used this power trowel, the engine blew up on it. So I got a new Harbor Freight engine on it. It's working pretty good. Now here's where we dumped all the excess concrete. Now this is going to be a lean-to that I'm going to be parking equipment on. By the time we started pouring this, the concrete was really setting up hard. So we didn't even have time to bull float this over here. I just had the pan and my other power trowel. Just threw it on there and started getting after it. Well, we got her licked. And all that concrete was for free. A little bit of the issue was that truck drove quite a ways from whatever job site it was on to get here. So we had to work hard to get it laid out and smooth and everything in a timely manner. So in total we ended up pouring 10 yards. So this is that 12 by 30 patio. So roughly 6 of the yards went in here. This turned out nice. Did a broom finish. The wife's gonna be happy with that. And by the time we got over here to the lean-to portion where we were just gonna dump all the excess concrete, it was setting up so hard. We didn't have any time to do any kind of nice edging, but we did get it sort of smooth through here. Now I don't care about any of this over here. I'll just be parking machinery on it. So a little bit of concrete's just a plus, but definitely not a necessity. So that was nice. Now if you haven't seen my sketchy homemade concrete saw, I'll link the video to that build in the description. But I'm too tired today to saw it, so I'll be sawing it in the morning. Well, you guys have a good one. I hope this was informational or entertaining. It'd definitely be entertaining to a professional, but I'm just an amateur and I do my best.
Keep thinking.